Hey guys, I'm just gonna make a quick video. I got a 2013 Honda Civic. I got it over here for a rough idle, stalling at idle while driving, no issues and no fault codes. So got it checked out. So the problem was this air boot. This is the boot between the air filter and then the throttle body. It was cracked. For some reason, it did not trigger the engine light. And this is how the new boot's supposed to be. Plus, the customer's been driving for a while, so the throttle plate was very dirty. Let me correct, not dirty, it was filthy. See that? It's supposed to be clean, sparkling. So we're gonna replace the boot. There we go, let's get a little better. We're gonna replace the boot, clean the throttle plate, do an idle relearn, and that should take care of his problem. So just a quick video. If you have rough idle and or cuts off at or stalls at idle, no fault lights on, just check this out. Most cars that will trigger engine light on with a system lean code or rough idle code, PO300, 506, 505, 507, but for some reason it did not on this one, so that's what we came up with. Alright, so I got it put back together. I'm gonna start the car. It is gonna be a little hard to start because of all that treatment that's sitting inside the throttle body and the intake, so it has to burn off. So just let the vehicle idle. Do not accelerate, just let it idle for a little bit, it'll clear out. And you can see slowly the idle is coming back to where it's supposed to be. I usually know the engine light is on because of all the contamination that went inside. All these power lights that are coming on, they are because of the engine light. So once we have the contamination or the treatment cleared out and everything, we'll clear the engine light and it should be all gone. The idle is slowly coming down. Gonna put the car in drive. Perfect. Just gonna rev it a little bit just to make sure it cleans that extra contamination. Whenever you do this, you are going to see some smoke coming out of the exhaust. Turn it off. It's coming down, so I'm gonna let it run for a couple of more minutes and that should be it. Then I'm gonna clear the engine light, do a road test and make sure it's all taken care of. So that should be it. I don't think any special parts, special tools, anything is needed. Just clean the throttle plate, just replace that boot, and that's about it. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.